Greenpak is striving for building a world-leading manufacturer of barrier film. This is our sample room. For every order we send out, we can find samples here. Once a customer complaint arises, we can quickly track the production in our factory. This is our bag-making workshop. All the equipment and accessories must be placed in a specific position, so the whole workshop looks very clean. Not only are the products stored neatly, but all the auxiliary materials, including the paper tube car, are stacked very regularly. This is the tool wall of our film blowing workshop. All the tools need to be arranged and placed according to the size, from which position they are taken, and must be put back in place after use. All tools have their specific place and are not allowed to be misplaced. Different raw materials are stacked in different locations and marked to avoid mistakes. This is who we are, that have a higher philosophy besides making money, such as becoming the industry benchmark and expanding their world influence. If you are interested in us, please contact me.